If you're getting any complaints about high ACoS, you
Mhm.
need to give them historical trend and like screenshot this, explain like, hey, we're giving you record low ACoS. Here's where your account has been. Just put some perspective in place. What Amazon challenge can I help you with today?
We used to have a very lower TACoS, so it means to say that we're having a good profit in the account. But recently, we are having like higher TACoS, so that means we're leaving a lower profit in the account itself.
I would not say the ad performance is down. I would say it's actually good. See that red line in February, how it dips to the lowest point? The ACoS is at a
Yes.
record low. So if you're getting any complaints about high ACoS, you
Mhm.
need to give them historical trend and like screenshot this, explain like, hey, we're giving you record low ACoS. Here's where your account has been. Just put some perspective in place. Now, if they want us to improve it,
Okay.
we still need to. We still need to tell them how we're going to do it and come up with a plan and create a strategy. All of those are still facts. But sometimes
Mhm.
starting with the historical, here's where we've been to give you where you are on the roadmap. If they're complaining because in February they were at 20% and today we're at 30, well, there you go. Historically, your average on the account is 35%. If
Right.
we're averaging 30, we're doing good.
Okay. I used to think about historical, but yeah, this is really a great strategy to even a refresher for me as well. Because we're worried about increasing the organic count of the keywords. This one.
Is it a dog product?
Yes. Actually, we're working on
Need
revamping
a
this
dog on
main
this main
image.
image. Yeah,
Yeah.
because if you have
Okay.
a dog on the main image and maybe a keyword as well, that's going to be a
Mhm.
game changer.
Okay. So yeah, actually we propose to improve the click-through rate. We're just working on tweaking it a little bit.
Okay, now click on the keywords button. Let's go over in Cerebro.
So we have 2,166 organic.
If you put your cursor on where May was, it looks like we've set records for them with April and May. Now, the
Yeah.
organic, this is another good one to screenshot and be like, look, since we onboarded you in November, we have set records in making sure you get seen on more keywords. Here's a chart that proves that. That may need to be done on everybody's accounts is historical analysis. So what I'd like you to do right after our discussion today is take these two screenshots, post them in brand manager chat and say, hey, here's what I talked with Stephen Pope today and how I got a client that's giving me some aggression, some aggro, if you will, video game term.
Mhm.
And this perspective could quash a lot of that, right? Like could go in there and showcase like, hey, things are looking pretty good. Now, having said that, let's change the
Mhm.
filter to organic on the mid right. Again, record highs. So June, don't count the current month.
Okay.
Record highs. Everything is trending upward. This is beautiful. Everything I would ever want to see looking good. And if you compare it year over year, it's even better, right? If you compare
Yeah.
May year over year, crushing it, right? Hey, for perspective, this product had X keywords a year ago. Today it's got Y. Okay, now you could do the same thing
Okay.
with the search rate performance report. You could look at the same for market share. You could do the same thing with the business report and sales. Now, having said all that, we can still talk about ways to increase the sales. We can still talk about ways to increase the keywords. The brand manager playbook talks in depth about this. That's
Mhm.
why I spent more time helping you understand the historical perspective because I think that's what you needed. But from here, you should have high confidence on increasing sales and improving the other metrics.